Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jody and I'm really glad that you're here. So if you have been back to my channel before and this isn't your first time, then you know that my channel is really all about saving you time and money. It's for busy and ambitious women that are trying to get stuff done, hold it all together, and we do so much as women. And so the purpose of this channel was really created, developed, and continues to improve and evolve is all about what information can I provide to you that will be helpful for you to make quick decisions? What beauty products should you try? What beauty techniques should you not try? And one of the things that I thought would be really helpful is if each month there's a lot of videos that talk about, emptying my trash and going through my trash. And it's a way to obviously promote products that people believe in. And I think they're great. I watch a lot of them myself, but I thought I wanted to provide a different type of a video each month and really talk about, I just snapped that. Why do I do that when I'm trying to film and I'm the one creating noise? Anyway, I wanted to just bring you products that I have been using myself multiple times over the course of the last month. And most likely if they're in this approved at the end of the month video, like this one's approved for August, then it's sort of the process that I go through for a product to make this list is would I buy it a second time or have I bought two of them? And usually that's the first test is, do I buy two just to make sure I'm never out if it runs out and I can't grab another one? So all of these products pass that first test is, would I buy it again? And do I buy it in twos? And then the second one is, would I recommend this to my family? And if the answer is yes, then that passes phase 2. And then finally, phase 3 is it affordable and does it make sense for the value? And if the answer is yes, then it's something that makes this short list of 5 products. So I hope that helps explain how these products come to be. They're products I purchased myself. No one sent them to me. I bought all of them and they're just things that I really reach for and wanted to share them with you in case they're helpful to you. So I hope some of them can be. So for August, some exciting products. One of them you guys have probably heard me mention before, and that is this bronzer by Milani. This is the Suntan number 4. I just love the color of it, and I think it's pretty universal for fair to medium skin tones. I think it would probably also look good on olive skin too, because it's not too orange. It's just a nice bronzy suntan, that's the name, color. So if you have darker skin tones, it's not going to show up obviously as well. And it's a drugstore brand, but there's a lot of good products. Milani also makes a good foundation. If you're looking for a foundation, they make a good one. So that would be one of the first things, and I reach for this a lot. The second one is this Makeup Forever Ultra High D Skin Booster. Now, I was looking for a serum to put under my eyes for the days that I don't use a gel patch. So if I'm going to use eye makeup that day, I'll put on my eye patches. Derma E is one that I highlighted before. But if I don't have time to sort of leave those patches on for the 10 minutes, they're not just to depuff, they're also really meant to add serum to your eyes so that as you add your concealer and your foundation, there's a nice buoyancy product and foundation for your foundation and concealer to sit on top of. But I wanted a serum that I could just do quickly and not have to wait sort of that 10 minutes for those eye patches. And so that's what the purpose of this is. And what I love about it is it works. It does exactly what it says it's gonna do. So you can see it's not really thick, and I love it. And I love it because once I put it on and just sort of let it get tacky for maybe 30 seconds while I do the other eye and just tap it everywhere that's dry, then I just go back and kind of push it in, and I just feel like it gives my under eyes sort of a dewy look throughout the day, but my foundation and my concealer really adhere to it. I think it's just tacky enough to keep the foundation on top of it without looking real cakey. So that's been a winner for me. And again, this is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster. And I'll link these products for you in the description box below in case there's something that you'd like to pick up. The next one is this Maybelline why do I keep making those sounds? The next one, and I've really been trying not to yell at my camera when I'm doing these videos because I just naturally talk loud. So I do adjust the volume way down. So I apologize if it sounds like I'm yelling. I'm just so excited about these videos. The next one is this City Mini Palette by Maybelline. This is Cocoa City. And I've really enjoyed this one because of the fall color. So as we kind of transition and things are getting more, you know, cool outside, but a little bit more warmer tone, but not too warm tone. You know, there's some nice colors in there. There's a couple mattes. There's also that really nice glitter one right here that I like to put just a halo. They're creamy enough. They're not real glittery, you can see. So I think Maybelline does a nice job when it comes to eyeshadows, and CoverGirl does as well. And I've been really impressed with e.l.f. Cosmetics. I've tried quite a bit of their products. And e.l.f. has been, their loose powder is really good, as well as their pressed powder. So anyway, if you're looking for a new eyeshadow palette, this might be one that you'd like to pick up and try for fall. And it's at a really good price point. I'll link it down below, but if I had to guess, I mean, I bought this a couple months ago. It's, I don't want to guess. It's less than $10, I believe. The next product is the Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. They come in 2 packs. Now this isn't anything new. I've just used these for a long time, and especially in summer when my skin tends to get dry, but it's also, my legs are in shorts a lot, so I want them to look very refreshed. And if you're gonna use self-tanner, you wanna get a good exfoliant, and this does everything in that realm for me. So what you do is you take off the patch number 1, and it's just a moist wipe looking thing. And one of these is enough for one leg, the whole leg. And then it's just got an alpha hydroxy solution in it. You leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you go in with number 2, which is the same type of thing, exactly, a moist towelette. And it deactivates the solution that you just put on from this first one, and it's a really good exfoliant. It takes off any dead skin cells that I have. It leaves my skin feeling very refreshed, very smooth. It feels hydrated. So it's a quick, and when you're traveling, these are great just to throw in your bag. They're great for your elbows and your knees. And then I just put on some lotion. So I really love these things. And you can buy a big box. There's 30 of them in this one, and but this bigger box is exclusive to Sephora, I believe. At least that's what the box says, is that it's exclusive to Sephora, the size of it. But that's what it looks like, and you can buy them, I think, online as well. Again, I'll link them below, but really a lifesaver. And I think it's just, they're fast and they're handy, and you can throw them anywhere, and it just keeps my skin nice, and the dead skin cells are off. And then where are we at? That's product 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we already did the eyeshadow. 4. Okay, so we're down to the last one. Now this one, bear with me for a little bit because this is a beauty, fashion, lifestyle channel. And so this will probably fall into lifestyle. These little lights, they are motion activated. They take 4 AAA batteries. They have a nice little adhesive peel to the back so that you can take this off and stick it in places. But you stick this, and then wherever you put that, it adheres to that. So what I love about it is the size of it. Now I have these inside of my closet up above because they're motion activated. I have them in the bathroom under the cupboards so that as people walk through at night, as they come into the bathroom, the motion triggers these lights to turn on. They're in every one of the bathrooms. I also have these in my kitchen cupboards because I don't know if you guys have those deeper kitchen cupboards, or maybe you have a cupboard that's not in as good of kitchen light. So I just stick it on the inside of the cupboard behind the doors so that when you open the doors and you stick your hand in the cupboard, this light comes on. So I have loved these. You get them on Amazon. Again, link them below, not sponsored, but these things have just been really handy, and there's probably so many other uses that you can think of for them, but the size makes them small enough that you can either put them on the backsplash, on the, underneath your cupboards, or you can put them up underneath on that little part that sticks out. That might be a little harder to catch the motion for those to turn on. Mine are right up against the floorboard, up high, so you can't even see them anywhere in the bathroom. Same with the closet, and same with the kitchen cabinets. So I've loved them. I think the size is great, but they're super bright because they are LED. So you can see how much I use them, and I love them. And it's a really good price point. So, and because they're battery operated, you can put them anywhere. So I've loved these, love them. And I thought it was something that might save you some time, or you can probably think of a ton more uses for those than I did. So those are my top 5 products for August, all Jody approved. Not that my approval means anything, but they're products that I've used and have really enjoyed. So I wanted to pass them along to you so that maybe you can, if you're looking for a product in any of these 5 categories, it might be something worth trying. So if you like this video, thank you, and give me a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear if you have tried any of these and what your thoughts are. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really love for you to be a subscriber, because then you're notified of any new videos, and it helps sort of build the community. And I look at subscribers as sort of that loyal customer. If I had a restaurant, my subscribers are those that come back, and they're my regulars, if you will. And I really appreciate you guys all being here. So have a good rest of your day. Happy August. We're headed into fall, favorite time of the year. So we'll start to redo some decor back here, probably do some more fall. I'll probably have to throw in a pumpkin or two. Yeah, love this time of year. Bye everyone. Have a good rest of your day.